Give thanks now unto the Most High Jah Rastafari, King Selassie I, first Emperor of Ethiopia, John King. Is I, Emmanuel the Nyabinghi, bringing you another Ital dish today of black bean and squash soup. So as usual, I'm going to take you over to the ingredients, go through the method, the preparation, etc. and then show you the dish on a dish at the end. Jah Rastafari. Okay, so in this bowl I've got some black beans which have been soaking all night and day, and I'm going to rinse those and cook those. So you've got some black pepper there. In that container there's some chili powder, a couple of bay leaves, some vegan stock cubes in here, and we've got some all-purpose seasoning, some mixed herbs under that, some thyme there, and some Nigerian dried chilies, an onion and some garlic. One ingredient I forgot was the squash, which is right there. So I've got some palm oil in this pot, and I'm just frying the onions, garlic and the about 10 to 11 Nigerian chilies, which I'm putting there. Okay, so the onions, garlic and chilies are fried, so I'm going to add some clean water now and then add the beans and start boiling them hard. Okay, so the beans are nearly cooked, so I'm going to add the squash and then the condiments. Okay, so the squash is in there now, so I'm just going to add about 3/4 of a tablespoonful of black pepper, tablespoonful of mixed herbs, tablespoonful of thyme, some about half a tablespoonful of all-purpose seasoning, and about half a tablespoonful of chili powder. And I've got 2 vegan stock cubes here, Maggi cubes. And a couple of bay leaves. So I'm going to simmer this now at half heat as opposed to hard boiling it, and we'll see how it goes within 10-15 minutes. So cost of this one, beans, squash, condiments, maybe I'd say £4 to £5. It will easily feed 3 people, maybe even 4. So good economical vegan Rasta Nyabinghi food, Jah Rastafari. There you have it, all cooked. That's squash and black bean soup. Ital food, Jaja food, Rasta food, Nyabinghi food. Food for life, life for food. Imam John King presides over Imam table as always. Jah Rastafari.